To do just a really quick haul for you guys. I bought some planner clips, just a couple of accessories to decorate for fall, and they've come in and I wanted to share. So let's go ahead and get started with this first order. This is 3 clips from the shop Created by Danielle, and it came in this rigid mailer with my receipt. So I want to show you guys what I chose. She has some of the cutest clips. Now don't forget that I also love Jelly Beans, which is a shop that I have often done PR for. Don't forget that, but I do love Created by Danielle also, and so they were in there. I ordered these. I just kind of decided to pick these up because I think they're going to come in real handy with my fall setup, because I'm going to be using not only my Erin Condren, but I'm going to be really jumping into my personal planner for the fall. I have subscribed to Cocoa Daisy for the next 6 months, and we're going to kind of see how that goes, but I'm really excited to do some crafty fun stuff with that. But with that kit that I have ordered, I'm pretty sure there's a little fox or two, and if not, I want to add one to it. And that's another reason why I got this little guy. He's really adorable, as you can see. He's very well made, very well stitched. I chose gold for my clip. I thought this one was just stinking adorable. I really love it too. And then I got the leaf, which is in more of a red color. It's like a, yeah, I would say this is just a true pumpkin orange, and this is a red with the orange stitching. This one, it just has a very light brown stitching, as you can see, but I loved the word, and I loved the fact that this was outlined with the acorn. But that again comes from Created by Danielle, so you can get her info there. So that's what I purchased from her shop. And the next shop that I purchased from is just as cute. I'm going to turn these over so they're hidden from you until you get to see them. But this is from, it came in a box with lots of pretty crinkle, which I'm going to recycle. But this came from Katie Jo, and it's a Katie Jo collection. I'm going to let you see this. This is just her cute little business card. It's square, but that's her full shop name right there. It's Katie Jo Collections, and she goes by Kate. She sent this as an extra. It's one of the peach palm style clips, which most of these are like this. It's just a pale blue with a gold clip, and I was so excited to get an extra like that. I thought that was really sweet. This is my first time to order from her, but I fell in love with the clips that I saw on her site. So let me show you. These are the ones that actually took me to her shop, and then I chose these. So let me go ahead and show you these cute little boogers. Okay, these are like peach palm, but they have an acorn top on them, and I fell in love. I thought they were so cute, and I know that the pumpkin spice setup that I'm going to have from Cocoa Daisy has acorns in it, and I mean, I just thought these colors are absolutely perfect, and these will be perfect for my Erin Condren because I'll be doing the traditional September colors in there. So I want to show these to you so you can kind of see what they look like opened up. Guys, these are the cutest clips ever. So I chose gold clips, of course, and you can see here, this was a set of 4, even though they're wrapped into 2s. Is that not just adorable? I just fell in love with these. I think they are so cute. Those are actual real acorn tops from what I can tell. If they're not, I would be shocked, but they look real to me. But I just think they're adorable. So we have the gold, the orange, and here we have like the purple and teal. And guys, I'm just so stoked about these clips. I think they're just adorable, and I cannot wait to use them. So this is the other set. Now, she had 2 different colorways, but if you wanted to do something, and there again is her Etsy shop. If you wanted to, you could go in and you could get another colorway, but you could also request a certain colorway, or if you want them to be like certain colors in your set of 4, I believe that she tries very hard to accommodate that. But anyway, these are just adorable. You can see they're bigger than my finger. They're the larger size. They're not the size of the typical peach palm. They're larger, and that's what I just fell in love. I just thought they were so stinking cute. So I had those in mind, and that's the reason that I went to her shop. Well, then I saw these in her shop and fell in love once again. These are going to be part of my setup as well, and I thought they were so cute. I couldn't resist, so I grabbed these, and they are, look guys, they're so cute. Okay, this is a pumpkin. She had a choice between a golden, a yellow, and a white, or no, a golden, an orange, and a white, and I chose white because I knew that that would go with anything that I chose to do. Is that not the one cutest thing you've ever seen? And I did go with all gold clips throughout. I just think this is so cute, and I can just see this sitting on top of my planner. Oh my gosh. And then I saw this one. Is this not the cutest little booger? I just fell in love with him. He is so cute. I love the dots on the top of the mushroom. I mean, just so stinking cute. You can see kind of how big it is. It's a pretty substantial. It's pretty good size. So it's going to stand up really nice and tall. And I think combined with these, it's going to look really, really cute. So guys, that's it for my haul. I just have all these clips that I've gotten from the different shops. And let me grab this and this and this and then the few little stickers that I purchased also. Created by Danielle. She sells stickers and planner clips and charms and things like that, but Kelli'sKorner Collections and Created by Danielle is in this fall haul. Guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I purchased, and I can't wait till I get my new setup and can do a haul and share with you everything that I have gotten from Coco Daisy. I hope that you are doing well. I love you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and give me that thumbs up because it's very helpful. I'll talk to you later. Bye.